This is the maiden annual lecture of the body of benchers and senior officials, including Vice President Kashim Shettima, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa of Ondo State, and former Minister of Works, Mr. Babatunde Fashola, have joined to witness the presentation of the report of the directions of the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee.
This maiden lecture.
The discussion here focuses on maintaining the ethics of the legal profession.
There are common agreements that the standard of lawyers being produced are of less quality than the years when the body was established. And so, minimum qualification and perhaps age should be considered. The question then is whether the law degree should be made a second degree holder before being offered admission to the Nigerian Law School. There are beliefs that the ethics of legal profession has also suffered deterioration.
The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, shares her thoughts on the subject matter and recommends enforcement of professional discipline.
Today, more than ever, there's an urgent need to recommit ourselves to the fundamental values of ethics, discipline, and professional responsibility. It is instructive to note that the body of benchers, as the apex institution of the legal profession in Nigeria, is uniquely positioned to lead the charge in this regard.
The Vice President applauds the judiciary for standing firm against vested interest, which he believes has safeguarded the nation's democratic future.
It is the clearest affirmation that a nation is not governed by a mob. That is why we recognize that the mandate entrusted to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was affirmed by a judiciary that did not yield to the weight of vested interests. A judiciary that understood that the fate of a nation is too sacred to be intimidated by any party or bartered for compromise.
Following different sanctions on erring lawyers and judges, the keynote speaker, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Mr. Babatunde Fashola, believes the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee has to do more to address indiscipline among legal professionals.
I will add my own words to those great words by simply saying that a poor bar portends a poor future, and a good bar portends a better future. And this must be the imperative for members of the body, not only to keep their hands firmly placed on the regulatory door of admission to the bar. They must also now lead a crusade of urgency to remove unsuitable persons and characters before they bring the house down.
The report of the directions of the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee is then unveiled. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.